Hi guys, Lady K here. Actually, quite a chilly Lady K. Just waiting for some heat to kick in the workshop here. Today I'm going to be finishing off something that I started, is this secretary's desk, which is sitting here kind of naked right now. I got a call and I picked up the phone and it was this piece right here crying, saying somebody had left it for dead. So I felt bad and I went to rescue it, and hopefully I can bring it back to life and hopefully have somebody use it and love it. So I'm going to, my vision is to make it a deep rich navy and just put some gold hardware on it and do the inside, and it can be used for something that someone can use to organize their things. It can be a front entryway for scarves and hats. Or it can be a drawer, it can be for paperwork, books, anything, multifunctional use for this piece. So I'm going to just give a once over and show you what I've done already to it, and then it's actually ready to be painted, and then we can finish it off and show you what the finished product is going to look like, and then hopefully I will get a call and it will be happy again. So stay tuned and see what we can do to turn this piece around. All right, here's this really nice piece. It's really cute. And like I said, I love it because it's multifunctional. Secretary desks, I have a newfound love for. I think they can be used for entryways, like I said before, or books, or desks, or just really anything. In front of an entryway of a home, they look really cool. You can put lamps on them, pictures above them, mirrors, vases, anything, fresh flowers, and inside just collectibles or bills or things, necessary things we have to do. So, like I said, this has been stripped down, sanded all over. Inside is one big spot as opposed to slats. So I bought some baskets and I'm just going to put them in there so someone can, you know, organize their things in here. This, I have removed the old hardware because it's scratching. Every time I open and close this, it scratches, and I don't want, because I'm painting the inside, I don't want that to get ruined. So I bought some new hardware. I was hoping for something actually even nicer, but this will also be gold, so it'll look good with the hardware outside. And I might even try to get adventurous and put maybe a stencil on this part. So we'll see how I manage with that. So I'm gonna just prepare my paint and get ready to get down to work, and we'll see the transformation very soon.
have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down.
Wow, so different when it's finished.
I know. Most people think that this is a desk because it is the secretary's desk. But I actually chose to make it into our favorite, a bar, an entertainment kind of center. So I think with the wine glasses and you add a couple bottles and it looks really sharp. So I think this is good. In the drawers, I just put, you know, wine openers, some platters if you want to put out wine and cheese, and some bowls. And I think it looks really good. I put some bar towels in there. I put some serving dishes.
Yeah, I could see how someone would want to use this for a couple of different uses.
I think it's
Multi-use.
beautiful. I love it like this. I
Yes.
love multifunctional, as you know. And I think instead of, it can be used for so many things. So instead of, even if I remove this aspect of it, and you know, I talked before about being an entryway, a hallway, useful purpose. You know, when you're going out the door, you grab the last minute things for hats and scarves, or so I bought these baskets and I think they work really well. Let's remove the bar aspect of it.
Nice, switcheroo.
Well, you can't grab a drink as you head out the door, so. So just scarves. I grabbed a little hamper, some sunglasses, some perfume, and then it can be an entryway cabinet.
Storage unit.
Yeah, storage unit on your
Winter
way out.
gloves.
With the famous,
Nice.
the famous shoes that I don't actually get to wear. But I think this looks great, and you can put your keys and even bills, you know, stuff that we want to hide. You can put it in here for totally different use.
What did you change on this? What was at the top?
What was at the top?
Yeah, yeah. What did you change?
Here?
Yes.
Oh, well, this was just an old. Actually, there was nothing. When I picked it up, it was empty. So I just had this from another unit that I decided to put on it. And
What did you show inside? What did you change inside? You changed
the hinges. Yes, I explained it previously. I changed this because this was just scratching. The old one was scratching and it wasn't good, so I got new ones. And actually, this is looking really cool.
Stunning.
Yeah, this is looking really cool. And so I explained before, you can put lamps or pictures or mirrors as I would put a mirror here if I was going to use it for this purpose as you're out the door. And then still continue to put hats, gloves, you know, sweatshirts, whatever you want to use when you're out the door.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool, little kid. Nice. Well done. Well done.
Looks so good.
So here it is, people. It's finished. She spent the whole day converting this into a multifunctional
That's
unit.
my word, multifunctional.
Nice.
I think versatile, multifunctional, but we should probably put the bottles back into it and maybe save a couple glasses for this evening.
Nice. All right, there it is. Finito.
Love it. Love it. From secretary desk to entryway desk, cabinet. It's awesome. It turned out so good. I love it.
You're younger and smarter.